So I'm bathed and clean. I have my first Christmas gift from mommy. See, mommy. And I'm gonna put that under the Christmas tree. So today I have to edit this video, and I was thinking that maybe I should do it like every day, because it's basically 45 minutes every day and it adds up to like 28 minutes for the week. And I don't know if a lot of you have half an hour to sit and look at my videos. So maybe just, you know, editing every day and putting up 4-minute videos might work out a little better. My life right now is really trying to finish the diabetes educator course, gonna plan my diabetes educator program, continuing with my Shape Me Didi program, weight loss, as well as those who just want my nutrition counseling sessions. So yeah, fun. And if we make cute little muffins next time. Hey guys, so all day I was trying to edit that video and it was taking forever. It literally took half the day to edit the video, so that was horrible and very frustrating. So I really think that I'm just gonna do the daily thing and just like upload a 4-minute video every day. Oh my gosh. Yep, so on my way now to church to get a sing sign, because up to now it's very difficult to get the priest in office and the priest needs to sign it so that I can do these classes to be the baby's godmother. It's a bit crazy, so I'm taking the back roads. Hopefully it's not too bad here. It's like after 3 now. I hate traffic as much as me, because this is driving me completely insane. I've been here for the longest time. Might as well. Got true, it's signed up, and now I'm stuck in traffic. It's 4. Now I'm in traffic again. What's up with the traffic now? It's killing me. Trying to get to Clarkson Bay to do an exercise session. This is horrendous. And it's like 4, no, it's 5, after 5. Frustrating. Just stuck, man. I'm home, I just ate, and now I'm putting away the dog food that I cooked today. And I'm putting it away in bags. And freeze it for the week. For these lovely boo-boos. My cute little baby.